light. What is up, YouTube? Parental discretion. What is up? What is up? Where's my light? Where's my light? There it is. What is up, YouTube? Parental discretion is advised on this video. I ate lunch today at like 10 o'clock, so it was really early. And then, okay, let me stop right there to say that if anybody, let's start over. Dang, it's cold out here. I'm gonna rotate in a circle till I get myself drunk. What is up, YouTube? Parental discretion is advised on this video. If any of you young people are watching, please watch some other video at this point. Okay, so I had lunch today at 10 o'clock. I hadn't ate anything else all day. I've been drinking these 24-ounce Bud Lights. They're really big. Okay, so this is number 2, and it's about empty. It's cold out here. I'm gonna finish that one. That one's done. That's 2. Okay, so as you can tell by the comments of this video, I'm just gonna keep rotating till I'm drunk. I'm not the comments. If you can tell by the title of this video, I'm about to fly my 3-inch quad out here. Try to get my goggles plugged up. Gonna do a little experiment. Okay, I got my 3-inch out here, my little 3-inch. Got 650 milliamps of badassness in this sumbitch. I'm sorry, but it's just going to be DVR footage from here on out. I can already tell this video might not even make the edit. But it's going to be DVR footage. I'm sorry, it sucks. I have glass nylon props on here. This thing can't take much of a beating, so one crash and it's over with. I am pretty intoxicated. I'm on my own property. I'm going to try to keep it within the range of not going and endangering anybody. I'm going to set the camera down over here. We're going to keep the audio from this going. This could be just like a 15-second video. I don't know. Turn that thing up right. I'm going to stand back right here. Let's move it over here where the light's on me. Of course, I'm going to cut right to the DVR footage. Can you see me? What the heck? Let's put it over here. Let's try that. That's a little better. Okay, you can see me. Alright. Plugging up the little 3-inch quad at the moment. Dang, it's cold out here.
Welcome to OpenTX.
Got that new amber sound pack. Don't really care for it too much. Alright, we got armage. Here we go. Cut to the DVR at this point right here. Wish me luck, fellas. Oh my goodness. Okay, so the little 3-inch flies pretty good, by the way, in case y'all hadn't noticed. I am a little, well, I'm going to just try to rip the son of a bitch, you know what I'm saying? Maybe she won't get wet. Oh, I made it. Can I do the dive with it? Oh, come on, baby. Come on, baby. Where's it at? Oh, I can't see nothing. I made it. Oh, power lines. Oh, tree. Woo-hoo-hoo. I'm going for the ditch again. Oh, my goodness. I should not be doing this. Going to the moon right quick. Oh, my God. I'm freezing to death. Oh, it survived. Oh, my gosh. Those glass... Those glass nylon props survived that. Going back to the ditch again. Maybe we should calm down a little bit. Go around behind it. Oh. Oh, we lost a prop. Lost a prop. Coming back. Coming back. Lost a prop. Coming back. Oh, okay. Well, that was short and sweet. Sorry I couldn't hold back. I tried to. We lost one blade right there. Sorry about that. Anyway, don't try this at home like I just did. Oh. I just dropped it. Anyway, I'm signing out. I hope this video makes YouTube. If it doesn't, I'm sorry, I tried. There went the beer can, the wind's blowing. Peace. I'm out. Fuckers. You kids is watching this, please tell them to turn away at this moment, because this is adult stuff going on out here. Where's my light at? It's 7:48 at night and I hadn't had nothing to eat, but I tell you what I have had. I've had quite a few of these gigantic Bud Light beers, okay? All I got is DVR quality. I'm sorry this video is gonna suck. Oh, I forgot to mention, I've already filmed this once already. And I got to this point right here and I forgot to turn my DVR on. So let me do that right quick. Let me make sure I got my DVR running. The red light is on. Hit it one more time. It's flashing. I guess that means it's recording. I hope it's recording. Alright, so if it's recording, we're going to shoot to the DVR footage now. This is Drunken 3-inch flying. Here we go. Oh my gosh, it's cold out here and the wind is blowing. Oh dang, what was that? Oh yeah, okay. Just gonna rip this son of a bitch. This could end very quickly. Going for the hole. I ain't even holding back on it. Whoa, I'm gonna miss the hole. Whoa, where's the hole? Oh no. Okay, that was the shortest Drunken video ever. That is what happens when you get intoxicated and you try to fly drones. You get the big balls and you think you're gonna be able to like rip, and then that happens. Now I gotta go up here and find my dadgum drone up here in the middle of the woods somewhere. Why is this camera wiggling? Why is it so wiggly? I guess I'll take y'all up here with me and I'll find this daggum drone up here in the daggum woods somewhere. I think it landed on the ground. I don't know. This is retarded. I did so much better the first time. I flew at least most of the battery pack the first time. I'm just assuming I'm... Well, it's just right here somewhere, sounds like. I have no idea. I'm up here in the middle of the woods. I have no idea where my little quad's at. Oh gosh. If this thing ain't busted like a million props, I might try this again. Where the hell you at, little buddy? This sucks. This summer I'm gonna have to come up here and clean this stuff out. I can't even get over there where it's at. This is retarded. This is a horrible idea, folks. Got a vine around my neck. Oh, I see him. He's down there in the bush. I should have went the other way. Alright. Whew. Like a man, I'm going to go in here. I'm just going to stalk through these briars. I think. I'm doing great on the camera work, ain't I, guys? This thing is in the thickest briar bush on the side of this hill. Dang, I lost 3 props on that thing. I wished I would have recorded the DVR the first time. This would have been so much better. But that's what drinking beer trying to fly drones does for you. This is bad. This is real bad. This is all the reason why not to do this. Ugh. I'm tied up in vines right now. I'm trying to vlog this. My battery's about to die on my stupid camera. This is retarded.
57 milliamp hours.
I used 57 milliamps in that flight. 57. Why am I so stupid? Oh. Alright, look. Here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to go down here. I'm going to put some props on this damn thing and I'm going to try this again. Y'all bear with me, okay? Be right back. Let me tell you guys something. This is the third daggum time that I've tried to film this. This is the third daggum time that I've tried to film this crap. First time I did okay, but I forgot to start the DVR on my daggum goggles. The second time was just a minute ago. I started the DVR on my goggles, but I crashed within 15 seconds of flying the stupid ass thing. So this time, I'm going to try it again. If it don't work, screw this shit. Okay, look here. Look here, I got the 3-inch quad with the glass nylon props on it. So then when you crash, there's no getting away from it. It just, you crash and some bitches explode. I just replaced, I think I've been through 6 props just trying to make this stupid ass video. And it is, it's 3 after 8. So anyway, I'm pretty intoxicated. When I first started this, I was buzzing pretty good, but now I'm just kind of pissed. So there's going to be some anger involved in this last take. I'm going to turn my DVR on because I forgot to. Oh man, my daggum camera's way out of focus. This is getting ridiculous. I can't even make a daggum video intoxicated. Thought I could. Worked out great the first time. Let's see if cleaning the lens fixes it. Nope, that son bitch is way out of focus. I guarantee you, I have broke the daggum focus ring on this thing. Will it lock? Oh gosh, it might actually lock. Okay, that's like half-ass focused. I'm sorry guys, I was way more excited the first time I did this. The second time was pretty good. This time, I don't even give a shit. Let's just do it. Let's just make it happen. Flying the drone, here we go. The little 3-inch rip's pretty daggum good. Sounds kind of crazy.
Low battery.
Don't listen to her.
Low
I'm going
battery.
for the hole because last time I went for the hole I didn't make it. I still didn't make it.
Low battery.
I'm just going to keep trying for this stupid hole. Let's do it.
Low battery.
Where's it at? There it is, right there. Oh. Okay,
Low
crashed
battery.
again. Video's over. Fuck this shit. Bye.